in today's episode of Clear the Clutter with Christine. I'm so excited about this after pantry because it started out as wire shelving, and I know the wire shelving can be the bane of people's existence. So this client had a very, very handy dad, and he removed all the wire shelving out and put in wood shelving, and of course a fresh coat of paint just to freshen it up and make it look brand new. We removed everything out and purged and only kept the things that she needs and uses on a regular basis. And then we got the perfect items to make this pantry just pop. So I'm gonna go by shelf. The first thing is the Lazy Susans. As you can see in the before picture, she really couldn't see what she owned. And these just make it so much easier for her to grab and go what she needs. She's a big tea drinker, so of course I used my favorite iDesign tea box. I just love these. And the 3-tier shelf from the Home Edit. I use these all the time because it's expandable. And right now it's not expanded because she just didn't need it to be that wide. So we kept it small, but in the future she can expand it and add canned goods to it. These are another favorite from the Home Edit. I love these because they come in different sizes and they stack, so it helps you to use the vertical space in a pantry. These are clear containers. They fit these shelves like they were made for them. These are also from iDesign. We sorted like items and put them in these, and she can grab with the handles, I love the handles, and just slide them back in. And for some warmth, we added these baskets from Target. We put potatoes in there and some snacks and just sorted out some last minute items and used the bin labels, which I love, from the Container Store. So we haven't labeled yet, so stay tuned for another after picture, and stay tuned for next week's Clear the Clutter with Christine.